guys just in here. This is gonna be a very rush intro. We're gonna run into this train real fast when I see it. C-Train down to Kai Tak. Stop here. Is the caption. I just ran and make it up. And what's Chris's plan?
To exit at Diamond Hill.
Alex at Kai Tak. So we're ending the day off right here. Later on, I'm gonna film the new series, which is not gonna be a very exciting series. Maybe you guys think, but I would do it like that way. Alright, Diamond Hill. 下一站鑽石山，乘客可以轉乘觀塘線，左邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站鑽石山，乘客可以換乘觀塘線，左邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Diamond Hill, interchange station for the Kunton line. Doors will open on the left. Okay, apparently he goes to Songlong Toy now.
A little bit of snack.
Which leads to terrible stoppage. Let's see. And okay stoppage, guys. We're gonna get off Kai Tak, the next stop, next station. I will get off. I actually may just take the new series at Kai Tak.
You started there.
But I don't really want to get off there. I don't know how to go over the Chim Sha Trail afterwards. I don't want to get back into the gates. I don't want to take 5A or something.
Then you think of yourself.
Now the thing is, I did get on like Fortress Hill, so that's why it's quite expensive when I get off, but that's fine. And what the hell happened to the map?
I just using it.
Why the fuck is actually a 2013 map over there? Why the fuck is a 2013 map with still Yao Ma Tei and still Shen Wan?
I did an update. That's why. I'm not playing with MTR. I'm just using it to design cars.
Right, Kai Tak. Afterwards, there's another video, which will be the new series. I might just do it here. And I'll take maybe buses back out. What's the time? Oh, it's way too fucking early. Here we are at Kai Tak.
請勿靠近幕門，前面學檢護門 Please stand back from the platform doors.
Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Check out the links also for the Google form. Just want to request some things, feel free. But I'm very close to closing the form. We're close to form when we reach 10 requests. When we hit 10 requests, we're gonna close the form. And after I'm done with those 10 requests, I all film them, then I'll reopen the form. So click on this video sometime, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!